You made the 6'7" thing?
6'7".
People always say that. They spam it.
Viral.
Hey mom, how much for that bottle of mustard?
Oh, I don't know, $6-7?
Mustard, 6'7".
They say it started as a joke, a meaningless number, 67, or some call it 6-7. Just kids shouting it in schools, spamming it in comment sections, making their teachers go crazy. But what if it isn't a joke? Every trend has an origin, every meme has a seed. And this one, 67 or 6-7, appeared out of nowhere. No source, no clear creator, just suddenly everywhere. Look deeper. 67 is the atomic number of holmium, a rare earth element used in magnetic fields and quantum experiments. Coincidence? Maybe. But why that number? Why not 66 or 68? There's more. In numerology, 6 represents creation and 7 represents spirit and completion. Together, 67 or 6-7 symbolizes the connection between the physical and the spiritual, a bridge between worlds. And here's where it gets stranger. Some users online claim the first clip appeared for just 6 seconds, uploaded at 7:06 p.m. and vanished. Deleted within an hour, but not before it spread, as if the algorithm itself wanted it to survive. So is 67 or 6-7 just another random meme, or a test, a signal, maybe even a subconscious experiment to see how fast nonsense can control global attention? Every time someone comments 67, they feed the pattern, a number looping through millions of screens, a symbol no one understands, yet everyone repeats. And maybe that's the point, not to mean anything, but to prove that meaning itself can be manufactured. So next time you hear someone shout 67 or 6-7, ask yourself, who started it? And more importantly, why? Because somewhere, someone is watching how you react, tracking how the pattern spreads, and waiting for the next number to appear. 67 was never the beginning. It was the test. 6, 7, the signal continues.